Hey Villas, hey gorgeous! Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to have a sit down unboxing of my new cosmetics. I love makeup and I have a new MAC collection and I'm so excited. And this is it, guys. So I am so happy to have this package with me. I'm going to review it for you guys. I'm going to do this video just like having a coffee break with you guys. Oh, I really love my white mocha, and this is my favorite coffee. So guys, why don't you have your coffee while watching this video? I'm gonna reveal what's in this bag. So this is it. I really love the bag. Look at that. This is the new edition of the 2020 lipstick and lip liner. There's another one, so let's see what's in here. Ta-da! This is the new MAC Fix setting spray, and it comes into a new box. Look at that. It says Radiant. So this is the new MAC Fix Magic Radiant setting spray. This is not just a setting spray. It is a hydrating mist. At the same time, it has a vitamin C ingredients on it. So let's check what's in the box together. First, I'm gonna go with this and I'm gonna try it for you guys because I really love to try it. Before I test it out, let me have some coffee, guys. So let's see what's inside, right? Okay, so here it is. This is probably the best day ever. Look at that. OMG. Don't worry guys, I'm gonna link it down below what's in this package. Okay, so let's start with the lip pencil. So before applying this lip liner, I'm just gonna blot a little bit of tissue into my lips because I just had my coffee. First, you have to start at the bottom of your lips before you go on top because it's really hard to design your lip on top because of the Cupid's bow. You have to make it really gorgeous. That's it. I'm going to swatch it a bit for you here. Like this color. Hopefully you can see well. That is the color. I really love the color, guys. It's like nudie, peachy pink color, and that is the trend color for the new edition of MAC. I love the name of that lip pencil. Dervish. Dervish. I don't know how you pronounce that, but it's up to you to pronounce it. But it's not devil, okay? It's Dervish. It's like a French name. I don't know. Where did they get that name, Dervish? I have to research on Google what's Dervish for. So it's coffee break, guys. And I really love talking to you guys while having my coffee break. Now, guys, I'm on to my lipstick. And this MAC lipstick is Love Me Lipstick Inseparable. Love Me Inseparable. What a name for a lipstick, right? So, meaning it's inseparable with this lipstick once you use it. So, I guess that's the meaning of it, right? Look at the color of this lipstick. Oh goodness. And let's check it out. There you are presenting. And let me do some swatches. So this one here is the swatches for the lipstick. Hopefully you can see that color. And this is one for the lip liner, the Dervish. And this one for the Love Me Inseparable lipstick. So hopefully you can see that. I love that color, guys. Look. It's so gorgeous. This color is amazing. And I can't wait to put it on, right? So let's do it. Wow, look at that, guys. This is the color of the year, I'm telling you. If you don't get this shade, you're missing something, guys. So look at that. You like that? So without keeping you waiting, I'm gonna go with my gloss. And this is my lip gloss, my other half. Oh, my other half. So meaning you're another partner. I don't know how MAC can come out with such a different name. And they are in just one collection. Ta-da! So this is my lipstick. This is my lip liner. And on the third one, I'm gonna swatch the gloss. Oh goodness, I love that thing. So this is it, guys. This is the Lipglass, my other half lip gloss. Look at that color. Hopefully you can see it well. It's a lovely color. So this is the lipstick, this is the lip liner, and this is the gloss. So can you see well the combination of these three swatches? And you're gonna love it. The my other half, of course, the lipstick Inseparable, and the Dervish lip pencil. So let's do this. How is it? I feel like I need a little brush before I go out. Actually, guys, I'm gonna go out after this. So I need more blush, I guess. And this is from Revlon. So guys, this is it. I'm just gonna rub some of the color here on my little tiny brush. I want to put the blush coming to my nose area. Use a finger to spread out a bit. There you are. I don't need too much, right? So now I got that pinkish look that complements my lips. And we're gonna try the vitamin C hydrating Fix Magic Radiance, and let's see what's gonna happen. So open the box. There you are, guys. I'm gonna open it. What kind of scent is this? It's like aromatic. It's like you are in the Zen zone. This is glorious. I don't know the words to say, but I really love it. It's not just a setting spray. This is like a skincare mist that your skin will look hydrating, radiant all day. So guys, this is the complete test of all the products that I have today. Hopefully you like it, and if you got something in this video, you know what to do. Like and subscribe on my channel. And for those of you who loves me, I love you as well. And for those of you who don't, you're gonna learn to love me because I will be your other half. See you guys, and don't forget the notification bell so you can follow me in all of my videos. Bye!